Total station surveyors in Faridabad are professionals who use advanced equipment called total stations to conduct precise and accurate surveys. A total station is a combination of a theodolite and an electronic distance measuring (EDM) device, which allows surveyors to measure angles and distances with high precision. These surveyors play a crucial role in various industries such as construction, engineering, and land development, as they provide essential data for designing and planning projects. Faridabad, being a rapidly growing city in India, requires reliable and skilled total station surveyors to cater to the increasing demand for land surveys. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or infrastructure projects, these surveyors provide the necessary information about the land's topography, boundaries, and elevation. With their expertise in using total stations, they can accurately measure distances, angles, and heights, ensuring that the collected data is reliable and consistent. One prominent company in Faridabad that specializes in total station surveys is SCON Design. They have a team of experienced surveyors who are well-versed in using advanced surveying equipment. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate survey data for successful project execution. They offer a wide range of surveying services such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. The utilization of total station surveyors in Faridabad has become increasingly important due to the city's rapid urbanization. With the expansion of residential and commercial areas, there is a need to accurately determine property boundaries and ensure proper land use planning. Total station surveyors play a crucial role in providing this vital information to architects, engineers, and developers. SCON Design stands out among other companies in Faridabad due to its commitment to delivering high-quality surveying services. Total station surveyors in Faridabad are experts who carry out precise and accurate surveys using cutting-edge machinery called total stations. Surveyors can measure angles and distances with extreme precision using total stations, which combine a theodolite and an electronic distance measurement (EDM) tool. These surveyors are critical to many different industries, including building, engineering, and land development, since they give crucial information for project planning and design. To meet the rising need for land surveys in Faridabad, an Indian city that is developing quickly, there is a need for trustworthy and knowledgeable total station surveyors. These surveyors offer the necessary details regarding the terrain, boundaries, and elevation of the land for projects including residential, commercial, or infrastructure. Using their knowledge of complete. In order to conduct precise and accurate surveys, total station surveyors in Faridabad are experts who use cutting-edge technology called total stations.